Hello friends and welcome to Web Coding and Design. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a self-contained project. Now, you would ask, why would I need to do that? Well, last week I was trying to host my .NET Core application onto the server and I kept getting an error. Upon inquiry, I found out that the server did not support the version of .NET Core that I was using. But that did not mean that I could not host my project. Instead of a framework dependent application, I needed to create a self-contained one. Now, you would say, okay, what is the difference between the two? So, to show you what the difference is, first we will create and upload a framework dependent application, which is the normal way to go, and then we will do the self-contained one. Now, in this project, I have a default page and a site.master page from which the default is inheriting. It's not much, but it will enable us to accomplish what we are trying to. Now, let's publish this to the web server. Now, if I go to my FTP web server, as you can see on the remote site, I have nothing at the moment. Let's refresh that, make sure there's nothing there, and then come back here and I will import my publish settings, which I have downloaded from my host. So let's browse to the file. Okay, and the values are in here. I will validate the connection. Seems okay. Let's publish that. Yeah, that seems to be working. Okay, as you can see, the framework dependent version of the website loaded fine. And the site name webcoding and design.com, as we can see. Now let's go to the server and see if we have the files that we can see the files that we just uploaded. We'll refresh that, and as you can see, we have our default page and the site .master page there. So what we will do now is delete all this because we want to now create a self-contained project. So let us go to Visual Studio 2017 and create a an empty project. So let's just name this something WPS, right? That should work fine. And the project is creating empty one. Select OK. Okay, now when this site will run, what we will see is hello world. Okay, so what we will do is change this value to, let's say, self-contained project. Okay, now you have to open your CSproj file because you have to install or insert the runtime value of the server in here. So as you can see, the runtime identifier for my server, the value is win8-x64. Now, if you are hosting it on a Linux or a Mac, that would be different. Now, after I have done that, I need to go to Tools, come down to NuGet Package Manager, and open the Package Manager console. And here I have to type in .NET restore and then press enter. Okay, restore is complete. Once that's done, I need to build the project. The build has succeeded. Now we will go and publish it. So I will get my published settings that I had initially used for my framework dependent application. Okay, so import the profile, and now I need to go to my, where did I keep it? Oh, here it is. Sorry. Okay, now I have, as soon as I import that, the the project starts to upload, and that's something I don't like. Usually I like to do it myself, but never mind, it it is liking, it's wanting to do it itself, so we'll let it. And as you can see, the project has been uploaded successfully. Now there's one other thing. We had changed the value from hello world to self-contained project, and as you can see, we see that over here. Now one other thing I would like to show you are the files that's been uploaded to the web server. And as you can see here, with the framework dependent project, we only had a few files. With this self-packaged one, we self-contained project, we have so many, the assemblies that are needed to support your .NET Core project. So it keeps going and going and going, but all that needs to get uploaded to the server in order for your project to work. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you with the next one soon. Until then, take care of yourselves, and goodbye.